YouTube is now allowing you to self-certify your own video as safe for monetization. I'm going to show you how you can do it today. Okay, so to access the new feature, you upload a video by going to here, upload video, or to create, and click upload video. You select your file and it uploads like normal. Now you will have a few changes. What you do is just scroll down, you fill in all the details as normal, and then you click next, click monetization on. Now you'll see that it changes. You've got your normal here, which is what type of adverts, right? Your display, your overlay, your sponsored cards, your skippable, your non-skippable, before, during and after, depending on the length. But now you've got ad suitability. It says here, we are making changes to help you earn more revenue faster. Now you can rate your own uploads against our ad-friendly content guidelines. The more accurate your ratings, the more we can rely on your input when deciding if your ads are running on your videos. This process helps reduce errors from automated reviews, so your videos get monetized accurately from the start, and you can start spending less time on requesting additional reviews. And there's a video to explain it all, and then you can click OK, and it disappears. Now, this is the new tool. And what it does is it guides you through everything that could possibly be wrong with your video, and it tells you on the right hand side your revenue potential. So you've got inappropriate language, adult content, violence, harmful and dangerous acts, drug related content, hateful content, firearms, sensitive issues, or none. So is there any inappropriate language? Do you swear lightly or heavily? Let's say lightly. It changes. It says safe for ads. On the right hand side it says the revenue potential is that your video would be on, that ads would be played, that you'd be played on YouTube Premium, and you'd get other access to like revenue and merchandise. But now, let's say in the video I was very explicit with my language. It now changes. It says limited ads. So limited ads, that's the yellow icon, but it's not yellow in this. You'd still be shown on YouTube Premium for people that have bought access but doesn't have ads, and then you can still sell merchandise. Now, if that's incorrect, you can click undo, it disappears, your options are unselected. Now, let's say we go down to adult content, and there's three options: romance, kissing, blurred or censored nudity, exposed breasts and full nudity, sexual acts. So, let's work our way through this one. Romance and kissing. Okay. Blurred, limited. Exposed breasts and sexual acts, still limited. But, you know, I'm assuming one will be age-gated for you automatically and one won't. So what you can do is you'll work your way through all of these: violence, harmful, drug, that kind of thing. And then when you are done, it will allow you to monetize. This way you don't have to go through the Russian roulette of will or will it not let me monetize. And if none of these options are here, if you're not talking about sensitive things, if it's not firearms, if it's not hateful content, if there's no drugs, if there's no swearing, if there's no violence, you can simply click none, and it's now all clear. You click next, you add your end screen like normal, you choose your visibility and click save. You will now see that once it's processed, it now has monetization on, based on all of the questions that I've answered. So now you can make money. I'm going to show you how you can increase your CPM rate in this video here, or how to make it into a business with this playlist here. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you get to see every video when I upload, and click that little bell icon so you know that you haven't missed one.